earn $60 every day completely free. Follow me carefully until the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. The first thing we need to do is find CPA offers to advertise. I want to use CPA Grip. You can use any other CPA affiliate network that you want. So the first thing I'm going to do here is select the US country, but you can choose any country you want. And now what I'm going to the trick is to find 3 offers that I want to promote. For example, let's say I want to promote this one. Get 4,500 cashback now. So I'm going to click here, and what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to copy the title of the CPA offer and they're going to paste it in here. I'm also going to copy the affiliate link and paste it in here. And what we need to do is to right click and save the photo. Now I have to find 2 offers in the same niche. So for example, we will also choose a McDonald's offers, and like the previous offer, the name of the affiliate link and the photo. We save, and I have to find another 3rd suggestion so that I can do this suggestion. And like the previous suggestions, I will save the name of the affiliate link and the photo. Okay, so now that I have my 3 offers, the next thing I need to do is actually create a bridge page, because a lot of these big websites, a lot of big companies really don't like CPA offers and marketing. They don't like CPA. So what I need to do is actually go to a website called Webflow. Now you can use this software to create a professional website, but you don't really need to know how to code. Here, you don't need to know HTML. Do not have one. They actually have a very nice and easy to use web builder, as you can see here. So the first thing you need to do is click here to get started for free. You have to enter your email and then choose a password for your account. In the next step, they will ask you some questions. They are not really important and you can't give any answer. After registration, what you need to do is to come to your dashboard, and what you need to do is to click here and create a free website. In the next step, you need to choose a template for your site. Here there is a free template and there are also paid templates. If you want to create a completely professional website, you can use paid templates, but my suggestion is to use free template. For example, we choose this template. We click on the use for free button and use it for free. In the next step, we choose a name for the website. Now we can create our website. In second, here you can see how my website actually looks like. I don't need a lot of these, so just click here and then all you have to do is press your heart on your keyboard, and that's what you deleted. So what we have to do is we deleted the parts we don't need. You can also replace this image. We put the text we want here. In this section, we need to add our image from our CPA offers. So what we need to do is click here and delete it. To add an image, we click on the plus, then you have to scroll here and select your image and place it here. Now we need to actually upload our image. After adding the image, we add our takes from CPA offers. We do this for the second and third steps. That is, first we upload our image and place our text here. But maybe for many of you the question is how we can add our affiliate marketing link. Here we select a button for each product and place our affiliate links for each product. You may change the appearance of your website to make it more beautiful. After the website is ready, we click on the publish button at the top of the page, and this is the link of your website on which you need to generate traffic so that the contacts enter your offer page. And after clicking on them and filling the offers, you will be paid. But now we have to start promoting this website, and for that you can use Reddit, and you can come here and you can do giveaways. For example, as you can see, this group have over 90,000 members. You can simply click on this little chain here and you can share your website link and promote your CPA offers. And of course you have to give it a good title because your account may be closed. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.